Feel this beautiful divine presence right in front of you. Imagine now that our Blessed Father is right here in the place where you are. Close your eyes for a moment and sense the presence of our Heavenly Father right where you are. Our Father is so near. Imagine that He is standing right in front of you. Look into His beautiful eyes. Be at peace. Open your heart and mind and soul